Y'all got to ride with me. Ride with me. Ride with me. Just tap somebody and tell them, bring your ass to church.
No, no, no. Not God bless America. God damn America.
Bring your ass to church.
Then stop laughing.
Did y'all get past that yet?
God damn America, as long as she tries to act like she is God and she is supreme.
I said, good. Now bring your ass.
We were talking about Lot, and we were talking about Sodom and Gomorrah, and we were talking about how Lot chose to go pinch his tits.
Some of y'all really still cursing at home. Y'all ain't saying that like you never heard a curse. And
Talking about how Lot chose to go pinch his tits. Excuse me. Pinch his tits. Pinch his tits is what I said. And you heard nothing else here. This is church, my gosh. So he was pitching his tents close to Sodom and Gomorrah. And so what happened was, when he did that, he was getting too close to evil. And what I was challenging you guys to not do was to pick friends that were going to lead you to... Then stop laughing! All right? Man! I hope this isn't on videotape, because I have no job now.
amen. You will cuss more than that. Y'all ain't saying nothing. And I ain't really cursed. I just said, bring the donkey, bring your ass to church.
God doesn't want you to take that junk and fuck around with you the rest of your life. Junk and fuck around, junk and fuck around, junk and fuck around, junk and fuck around, fuck around with you the rest of your life.
And we're talking about how Lot chose to go pinch his tits.
God damn America.
Now that said, do me a favor, touch your neighbor and say F you. Touch your neighbor and say F you.
He just limped all the way back up on the porch, sit down and wiped his brow and said, who in the hell left the gate open?
Take your phone out, text all your exes and say I'm at church. F you.
Who in the hell left the gate open?
Snap your finger and say F everybody